Human rights abuses. Indian administrated Kashmir. A soldier guard the roadside checkpoint outside Srinagar International Airport in January 2009. Human rights abuses such as extrajudicial killings and rapes having been committed by Indian forces in Kashmir. Militants have also committed crimes. Crimes by state force are done inside Kashmir Valley, which is the location of the present conflict. The 2010 Chatham House opinion poll of the people of the Indian administration Jammu and Kashmir found that the overall concern in the entire state over human rights abuses was 43% in the survived district of the Muslim majority Kashmir Valley, where the desire for independence is strongest. There was a high rate of concern over human rights abuses, 88% in Baramulla, 87% in Srinagar, 73% in Anantnag, and 55% in Badgam. However, in the Hindus and Buddhist majority areas of the state where pro-India sentiment is extremely strong, concern over human rights abuses was low. Only 3% in Jammu and expressed concern over human rights abuses. According to the Hon. Adolphus Towns of the American House of Representatives, around 90,000 Kashmiri Muslims have been killed by the Indian government since 1988. Human Rights Watch says armed militant organizations in Kashmir have also targeted civilians, although not to the same extent as the Indian security forces. Since 1989, over 550,000 people are claimed to have died during the conflict. Data released in 2011 by Jammu and Kashmir government stated that in the last 21 years, 43,460 people have been killed in the Kashmiri insurgency. Of these, 21,323 are militants, 13,263 are civilians killed by the militants, 3,646 civilians killed by the security forces, 5,369 policemen killed by the militants. According to the Jammu and Kashmir government data, Jammu and Kashmir Coalition of the Civil Service Society says there have been 70,000 plus killings, a majority committed by the Indian Army forces. Several international agencies and United Nations have reported human rights violations in Indian administrated Kashmir. In 2008, press release to the OHCHR spokesman stated the Office of the High Commission for the Human Rights is concerned about the recent violent protests in Indian administrated Kashmir that have reportedly led to the civilian casualties as well as the restriction to the right to freedom of the assembly and expression. In 1996, Human Rights Watch report accused the Indian military and the Indian government-backed paramilitary of the commit to serious and widespreading human rights violations in Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir Coalition of Civil Society labeled the happening in Kashmir as a war crimes and genocides and have issued a statement that those responsible should be tried in court of law. Some of the massacres by security forces include Gawakadal massacres, Zakhura, Tangpura massacre and the Handarwara massacre. Another such illegal massacre occurred on 6 January 1993 in the town of Sopora, and Time magazine described the incidents as such. In retaliation for the killing of one soldier, paramilitary forces rampaged through Sopora's marketing setting, building a pillage and shooting bystanders. The Indian government pronounced the events unfortunately and claimed that an imitation dump had been hit by gunfire, setting off fires that killed most of the victims. A state government inquiry into the 22 October 1993 Bajipihara killings in which the Indian military fired on a procession and killing 40 people and injured 150 found out that the firing by the forces were unprovoked, and the claims that the military that it was retaliation was cocked baseless, and however the accused are still to be punished. Its report of September 2006, Human Rights Watch stated Indian security forces claim they are fighting to protect Kashmiris from militant and Islamic extremists, while militants claim they are fighting for Kashmiri independence and to defend Muslim Kashmiris from an abusive Indian army. In reality, both sides have committed widespread and numerous human rights abuses and violations of international humanitarian law or the laws of war.